Gusto mo palang kita neto? Ha? Gusto mo palang kita neto? Ha? Kikisangan! Palun kita yan! Ikaw din! Kinig ka dito! Ay! Ay! Maano kita dyan? Ikaw naman! Bakit kayo nagkikis?
Yeah.
Ikaw ah!
Ikaw!
Gusto mo din? Sagot! Ay! Papaluin kita! Oy! Sumagot ka ba? Kulit mo naman. Gusto mo papaluin kita dyan? Oy, makinig ka! Ay! Ikaw kung kakainis ka na. Huwag mo na to ikikis. Magagalit ako sa'yo. Kinis mo na naman yan eh. Nainis na talaga ako sa'yo eh. Yan. Eyelash ka muna. Papatayin ko kayong kung sino mag-kiss dyan. Kapag nakita ko kayong mag-kiss dyan, papaluin ko talaga kayo. One hit lang talaga yan. So, tignan nyo guys yung farm ko. This is my first floor. Meron na din siyang unlimited swimming pool guys. Swimming pool. Tapos, papakita ko pa sa inyo to. Ito, wait lang. Itong ganyan. Tignan nyo. Ayan na naman. Mag-face the wall lang kayo dyan. Huwag nyo akong tinitignan. Ay. Face the ball. Face the ball. Face the ball. Ay. Papatayin kita. Bago ka pa lang naman. Face the wall. Ay, okay na yan. Time's up. Tingin na dito. Bilis. Oy. Bingi ka ba? Bingi. Bingi ka talaga. Bingi ka talaga. Ikaw, huwag kang tumatakas. Huwag kang tumatakas. Bakit gustong ayaw mo pa dyan? Kayo, wala kayong mga manners, ha? Ikaw din. Ikaw. Kini ka. Bago lang kayo, di ba? Flash. Okay doon. Hoy! Hi! Pagalitan kita. Punta ka doon. Punta ka doon. Bilis.
Please! Papatayin ko kayo talaga. Subukan nyo. Napaka-translations nyo pa lang. Tara muna. Tignan muna natin yung laptop natin. Swimming tayo! Wait lang. Close natin. Yes! Mampapatay po tayo. Kakaunti lang yung hearts nyo, no? Huwag kayong magtatago. Hindi naman ako nakakatakot eh. Papatayin ko lang naman kayo. Ay, yung 3 hits lang, oh. Dito, patayin ka na. Ang dadami nyo dito, Nagtatago-tago pa kayo dyang malalaman, Patay na. Okay. Oh. 3 hits. 2 hits lang pala. Akala ko 3 hits. Ito 3 hits. Diba? Saan na yung maze ko? Ay, maze. Ayan. Behave kayo dyan. Oy! Ang kulit mo talaga. Sabing walang puput. Kainis ka talaga. Ikaw, gusto mo mag-isa lang dyan? Patayin din kita. Yan.
Ayoko nga magkapit na katulad ninyo. Ayan, dami da. Ang kulit nyo talaga. Yan. Ikaw din, napakakulit mo.
Kaya mo.
Wala na kayong nagawa sa buhay nyo kung hindi tumino. No? Uy. Ang kukulit naman. Baby na nga lang siya eh. Mawawalan pa siya tuloy ng buhay.
Baby?
Ang cute mo, no? Halika nga muna dito.
Go.
Halika rito. Punta kita sa may... Kunwari sa akong helicopter, ah. Sorry, ay. Kailangan kitang ipasok sa bahay ko. Ano? Ah? Kapasok ka muna sa bahay ko. Ano? Ka rito. Pasok tayo sa bahay. Pasok tayo. Bilis. Huwag ka mahiya. Ano ba yan? Pasok ka nga ni.
Snow, kuya?
Pasok ka nga ni. Ang kulit mo naman.
Snow, kuya?
You're so cute. He's super cute, right? Let's put him here. He is our pet. You love dogs? Hey, mahulog ka dyan.
Hi. Hi, Ruby.
Hi, you're so cute. Did you see your mama and papa? I will kill them. Let's go. Let's go kill your mama and your papa.
Papa?
Your mama and papa is super Gen Z. They are super Gen Z. You're super cute. You're super cute. You're super Gen Z.
Kaya, come.
The cutest dog in the world. Do you want a name? Where's the dog? Where's the dog?
Hey.
Oh no.
Hi.
Hi, you're so cute. Say. Say you're so cute. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Come. Wait.
Hi. What's wrong, doggy?
Come here.
Asan doggy?
He's there.
Hello, kitty guys. Still, it's doggy. It's doggy. Come. Time out.
What time out? Time out for the doggy? Talia? No. Don't do that. Dog is super cutie, you know? You know he's the cutest dog in the world.
A swimming doggy.
No, he cannot go to the swimming pool. That's bad for his, health.
Oh, no.
Oh no, what happened? Come.
Come. Time out.
No, not time out. Come. I said no going here. Time out, okay? Let's go find some mini dog. Oh no. Come. You wait. Let's go, Lush. Let's go.
Fine, doggy.
Stop swimming. It's not good for you. Dog is not allowed to go to the swimming pool, okay?
Okay.
I will get angry, dog. Come here.
Hang up. Position.
He's looking at my lingerie. Why you guys so big? Guys, you're so big that I don't really want you guys.
Hang out. Hang out.
Dog.
Out.
I don't like big dogs. Okay? I'll get angry. Hey!
Hi.
You said no big dogs. Baby dogs only is allowed. Let's put them in the swimming pool so they can swim.
Yeah, swimming. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
Is there a dog? A little dog? A baby dog? Wait, where's the small? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where is the baby? Where is the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? He said, where's the baby, bruh? No, no!
Baby kuya. Baby kuya. Baby kuya.
I don't know. Let's go find the babies.
Babies?
There's the baby! Oh my, oh no. There, the baby! The baby! The baby! The baby! The baby!
Come!
Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's the trap.
Baby, stop, stop. Stop swimming.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. He is in the ground.
Stop, stop, stop. Baby, stop, baby.
Don't swim. It's illegal. Oh. Wait. Why do I cannot flush him? Okay, let's go, let's swim. Let's go. Put him.
Let's go.
I'm the helicopter guy. Haha. You're so cute. Ha ha ha. I'm the goodest boy in the world. Am I the goodest boy in the world? Okay, let's go span more dogs. Where do they? Oh, they are swimming now. Let's go put them on. Oh, babies. Baby. Baby dog. Talia, there's the baby dog na come. Baby dog.
Baby dog.
You're so cute. Let's go. Baby dog. Oh.
Baby dog.
Come, baby dog. Ingay mo naman. Talia, the dog is getting angry na. Talia, the dog is very hungry na. No, the baby is very angry because you are so super noisy. There we go.
Baby.
You want? Come.
Let's go lash. Let me lash you.
I know, but you don't go out there.
Let me lash you. Come. I love you. I can help you. I'm your national help. Okay, let's go lash. Let's go lash him. You are super right on the show, my little. Super right on the show, my little. Putting by the show, my little. I'm a talented true, I'm putting my little. So Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Let's go spawn more dogs. So, para makakuha tayo baby dog. Kailangan natin madaming baby dogs.
Never trust them. Little baby.
Grandma,
Uy, spawn baby dog? Saan yung baby dog? O yun.
are you gonna tell Dad?
I let Mom. I don't have to tell him anything.
I love you.
Tuesday.
Ay,
I'm not going out there.
huwag ka magpunta dun ah.
Time to
Malalim doon. Lang, tulak muna kita ah. Diyan ka muna sa pang baby ah. Ah, pang baby ka muna mag-swimming ah. Lash kita, wait lang. Okay.
Why aren't you trying to talk me out of it?
Lash muna kita ah. Pwede ba? Pwede ba kita i-lash? Sorry.
I'm going to come back.
Sabing hindi pwede dyan.
The wrong tattoo.
Why are you acting weird?
I'm the village crazy lady. That's my job.
If there's something you want to tell me, just tell me. Is there something you want to tell me?
Is there something you want to hear?
I'm hungry.
I'm told all I can
Hungry, kuya?
That's one.
There's 2 baby dogs.
Do you
Oy, mga halimaw!
Halimaw! In the reef?
Hang out to the halimaw! Sabi ko huwag kayo nang alam ng mga ano yun, hindi naman sa inyo yan. Kay alamero nyo talaga ha. Susunod, hindi ko na kayo bibigyan ng one more chance. Kayo ha. Lahat ng mga yan, grounded. Papatayin ko na kayo lahat. Kayo ha. Pakakiyapon nyo na talaga. Dami nyong kailangan gawin. Ay, kadami nyong pwedeng gawin. Tapos, ganyan pa talaga gusto nyong gagawin. Ikaw naman, ba't kaya kadami-dami nyo nahuhulog? Ikaw kasi, bakit kayo nagpapahulog? Ha? Ang dami nyo nahuhulog dyan. Papatayin ko na nga kayo. Tsunano pa yan. Kahit tsunano pa. Paka-different nyo talaga. Nakakainis na mga kayo ha. Kayo, nakakainis na kayo. At wala na kayo dito sa mundo eh. Tapos yung mga maliliit nating chicken. Cute nyo na ba? O bakit kayo? Chuki ng chuki kayo dyan. Hindi, patay ka dyan. Patay ka na dapat dyan. Kayo, problema niyo dyan. Alalalas ka pa kayo nalalaman dyan. Unlash ko muna kayo ah. Nakakainis kayo.
Papatayin ko nga muna lahat ng mga chicken. Ay, babies dito. Hindi kasi ako pwede. Allergic ka ba? Ha? Allergic ka ba? Kayo, diyan lang kayo kasi. Hindi yung gagaling nyo talagang tumakas.
Trust me, my hook is the coolest collector.
Pag meron pa ako sa inyong nakitang napatay dyan. Hindi na kayo mahulog dyan na yun. Ayun, papatayin ko na kayo mga wolf kayo. No? Ay, naku. Ay, naku ba? Papatayin ko na kayo lahat. Ay, naku. Bakit nyo inihihian yung mga yan? Gusto nyo bang hihihian ko kayo? Dudugit nyo. Kayo na nga yung pinaligo dyan. Nadadamay tuloy yung hindi pumunta dyan. Kala ko naman baby kaya. Patay ka din. Walang tulungan. Walang sisisiyan dyan. Patay kayo lahat. Except sa mga babies ko. Ay! Ba't meron pa pala kayo dyan? Ikaw din, meron ka din pala dyan? Ah, di nyo sinabi sa akin. Di nyo sinabi sa akin. Di ninyo sinasabi sa akin na nandyan pala kayo. Ikaw din naman. Baka laki mong unggoy.
Unggoy.
Kayo napaka-cute. Ay.
No.
Pakita na yung mga iba.
Diba?
Ay, ayun. Pumunta ka pa talaga sa malayo lang para hindi lang kita mapatay. Ngayon, papatayin kita. Oh, meron ba tao dito? Sana wala. Wala. Ay. Saan yun?
Isa yun?
The following contains clips from Disney's Moana, now available on Blu-ray and DVD.
Yay! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! You're so cute! You're so cute! I swear you're the cutest one. Uy! Sorry, nagtampo na talaga. Sorry, Kuya did not mean it. Okay?
Sorry, doggy.
I didn't mean it to do that. Sorry. Very sorry.
Sorry, doggy.
Oh no! Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yay! You're so cute. Wait. Oh yeah. Now you can be mine. Hey, that's bad. Don't bully. Bully is bad. Bullying is bad. Let me put you in my quiver. Is this a way so I can put you in my quiver? Yay! I have many dogs. Hey, yo, what a Sigma. I said no dogs. No big. I said no wolf on my big. This is my baby. But is this a baby dog? A baby dog? Are you a baby dog?
Is that a baby? That looks like a baby, bro.
Baby boy.
This is what I pick. Which one do you want to die? This one? Okay, let's go kill this one. Who do you want next to die? This one?
This one.
Okay. Who do you want to next to die?
This one.
Okay.
Took a canoe. He crossed the sea.
Yes.
He found an unforgiving sea.
Huh? Huh?
Huh?
His best friend begged to be
Which one do you want to die? All of them, okay? Want them to die? Hey! Yo, what does it? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Hey. Oh, baby! Come. I said unlash. Wait. Let's go. I will kill everyone, but except the cutest dog in the world. Let's go, Larcy. I like you very much. I like you. I like you. Hey, let's go to my underground base.
On this?
Okay. Hey! No big dog here! I will kill you! You are not allowed here. Oh my god, guys. Yung dog ko, guys. Guys, yung dog ko, boss. Anong attack? Sirain muna natin yun. O, sino nakatakas? Pa-remind na lang. Pa-remind na lang sa akin kung sino nakatakas. Remind na lang sa akin kung sino po yung nakatakas, okay? Baka naman po kasi hindi nyo baka po kaya ako po pinapa-remind kasi baka po kaya pala, bakit ka andito? Hindi matakot, nandito lang ako. Hindi matakot, nandito ako.
Anyone has my own gets that even the eyes
Wait lang. Ka matakot. Sabi ko, huwag matakot. Sinong hindi pa nakuha? Bayaan nyo yan? Solar eclipse yun. Ikaw, bakit hindi ka nakalash? Bakit? Ayaw mo?
See where you're going in your mind. I know it where you go. Same difference. If you are interested and you have an animal sidekick, you're a princess. You are not a wayfinder. You will never be a wayfinder. You will never be a wayfinder.
Hindi pa nakalodge. Ikaw ba? Hindi ka pa ba na-lodge? Lahat kayo nakalodge na. Ay, ba, very good. Uy, wait lang. Stuck pala to.
You are the best person.
Low rewind. Low rewind ka lang ba? Ano ka? Transport? Transportation yarn. Transport ba to? Ay. Ano? Ay! Ayun ko mag-alala. Dito ako. Ah! Oh! Shit. Wala ka. Run out guys mamaya ah. Ba, ikaw yung ano? Oh, ikaw yan, di ba? Ay! Hindi kita ilalagay. Ikaw din.
I wouldn't text you at 39.